Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package, which can give you a AMG Sportline exterior and interior, AMG floor mats, 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, sports black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof, rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging, AMG floor mats, fold down rear seats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, black ash core wood trim, memory seats, power windows, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This C300 has 33,469 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.